Hi, how are you? My name is Esther Kim and welcome back. So today we're going to go over SAT reading, specifically a reading passage from the 2018 October exam. I chose this exam because it's considered one of the easier ones. So just a side tip, not all exams are created equally. If you look online or do some research, you'll find out which ones are considered easier versus harder. So I suggest finding out which ones are easy and practicing on those first, and then kind of mixing up the easy and hard exams and then ramping up to harder practice exams right before your real exam. Another side tip is to check out the first reading video on this channel where I go over a few tips that I'll be using today. So with that said, let's talk about science passages because that's what we're going to be going over today. With the science passages, there are usually two types of passages that are on the SAT. So the first one is often a method, and most of the questions are about that method. The second type of passage is usually a discovery that often disrupts a current belief or theory that's going on in a specific area of science. So if you go to the conclusion of that passage, it usually is a to be continued conclusion, meaning this discovery is great, but we actually can't make a definitive conclusion, so more research needs to be done. So with that said, let's get started.